here's how to make a cursive B. Starting with the capital B, you'll start at the very top, slant straight down, go back up, doing a loop, a curve, up and over. Down, back up, loop over and in the middle, up and over. So notice the whole time I'm not picking up my pen. Anytime you're writing cursive and you write the letter, you're going to keep your pen touching the page. Down, back, up and over, loop in the middle, down and over. Without the dotted tracing lines, it looks like this. Slanting down, tracing back up, do a little bump over with a loop in the middle, loop, over, like that. Down, back up, loop, loop, and over. Lowercase b looks like this. You're going to start down by the bottom. You're going to do a big loop up, touching the very top. Go down, then loop over by the dotted line. So starting at the bottom, loop all the way up, then down, looping again by the dotted line. One more time, go up and loop, down, loop by the dotted line. So without the tracing lines, it looks like this. Up, down, up, and loop. Up, down, up, and loop.